Good day, ma'am, sir. I'm Russell Fernandez. I'm 26 years old and I am married. I have two kids, 3 years old and 9 years old. I am from in the Philippines, high school graduate. I have experience in Macau. My duties and responsibilities are cooking, cleaning, washing clothes, washing dishes, especially take care of kids. They are 3 years old and 7 years old. Playing with them, and take a bath, and pick up to school. My reason for leaving is they relocate to China. To apply in Hong Kong for my family and my kids for their future. Please, ma'am, sir, if you hire me, I will assure you that I will do my best.